All right, so here we are. I went with this like brown micarta. I don't know, it's almost like a Dynalux. It's really tough stuff. It drilled really nicely. It fit really good. It's very clean. And here we go. There we are. And there we are. So, I don't know if you can hear it, but listen to that. Yeah. All done. I was thinking about giving it to my dad. My dad loves folding knives and quite possibly might be responsible for me doing what I do. So I was thinking about taking it into him and giving it to him. So yeah, there it is. Folding knife number one. So let's make another.